Good. Yes, here some questions are also given, children, that I already read you out, no? So you have to do what you have to do. You have to find the answers of all these questions, and you make a note of with a pencil here only. Understood? Just for your reference. If you are who read out the lesson, only that children can answer these questions. So everyone try to read that question 2 to 3 times, then you can get a answer from our lesson only. So the answers all will be there from our lesson only. No need of worry. Okay. Next, some more grammar bit is given. See children, D Roman. D bit, see there. Match the following to form complete sentences. So match the following to form complete sentences. So here these are this side you can see Lara has, a cat can, Tom is, the forest. So these are the words which were given, but they are not complete meaning was done. Understood? So by adding here few sentences were given and here words are given. By combining these words and sentence, we can form a complete meaningful sentence. Understood? So any meaning was there? Lara has, what Lara has, what it is having. So nothing meaning was there. So now what you have to do, you have to combine these words with the suitable sentence from this part. Understood? So first one is what? Lara has, what she has? Lara. Who is our Lara? Lara is Maina. Understood? So Lara has how many babies? Yes, 3 babies. Now match this. Lara has 3 babies. Completed? Yes, Lara has 3 babies. Second one, see, a cat can. What a cat can do? Now see there. A cat can climb trees. So what it will be doing? Cat can climb the trees. Yes, match it. A cat can climb trees. Third one, look into that. Tom is busy collecting nuts. So what our Tom is doing? Tom is busy collecting nuts. Next, fourth one, the forest. What is the fourth one? The forest. The forest is full of wild animals. The forest is full of wild animals. Yes, forest is full of wild animals. Fifth one, see there. A Maina can sing beautifully. Yes, a Maina can sing beautifully. Next, Lara and Tom live dash. Where they live? They live on a banyan tree at the edge of the forest. Banyan tree at the edge of the forest. Understood? So next, here some more interesting verbs. So here E bit, see there ma? Underline the action words. So what is this action words? Action words are also called as verbs. Understood? So what is this verb? What is the verb? So verb, V-E-R-B. So everyone might have already revised that in your previous class, like when you are in first class, you were read of many action words, right children? So action words are the work which you will be doing regularly. Like what you will be doing? You will be sleeping, you will be eating, you will be jumping, you will be running, you will be sitting, you will be fighting with your siblings, your brother or sister. Yes, you will be listening to your music or listening to your parents' words. So these all comes under action words. So what is the verb mean? Verb means action words. Understood? So what are the action words? Few action words are like, what are they? Yes, swimming. Swimming also one action word. Swimming, eating, jumping. Yes, And still what action words you'll be doing? Yes, drinking, you'll be drinking milk, right? Drinking, yes, always crying, yes, crying. Still what you'll be doing? Laughing. So these all comes under action words. Means work which you are doing, action, understood? So with your hands or with your eyes, with your ears, everything action movements, understood? So in the same way, here in our E-Roman, here you can see some action words which were given. You have to find it out and underline them, understood? First one, see, the dog is digging the ground. So here which is the action word? Digging. Digging means what? It is taking some instrument and digging the mud, ground, understood? Second one, Rima is, so that is the example, and the first one I am reading out. See children, Rima is planting small plants in her grandmother's garden. So in this, which is the action word? What she is doing? She is planting. Who is planting? Rima, understood? So here planting is the action word. Next, the buffalo is chewing. Chewing means what? Whenever we take food into our mouth, what we'll be doing? Yes, we'll be chewing. That is the action word. And next, Nina is reading. Yes, here in front of you also, what I am doing? I am speaking, I am reading, and I am watching. I am doing here three actions, understood? So you are also doing the same action. You are listening, you are watching, and you are listening. Next, Ajay is driving his scooter. So Ajay, what action he is doing? Yes, driving. So in this way, fifth one, Sandeep is talking to his father. Yes, coming to your page number 9. Look into that. Some more action words are given. You just read it and underline which is the correct action word. Understood? And next here, children, see this. Here, learn to communicate. So what is this learn to communicate? Here, every back of a lesson, we are going to have 3 types of grammar part is there. Understood? So what is that? Listening, speaking, writing. What are the 3 works we have to do of every lesson? Understood? Listening, speaking, writing. So here listening part, what it is given, see. Your teacher will talk about eating habits of mynas and squirrels. So take a note of how much each them differ in their eating habits. So mynas, what they will eat more? Mynas will be eating, what they will eat? Mynas, they eat fruits, worms, lizards, small snakes, that also they will be eating. Understood? And what our squirrels they will eat? Squirrels, what they will eat? They will eat berries, nuts, and insects. Understood? So these are the things what our squirrel will be eating. Yes. Coming to our next speaking part, see there children. So talk about more favorite food of any one animal that you like. It could be your pet at home or any other animal. Understood? So what it means, example it is given, see there. A rabbit loves to eat carrots. So what a rabbit loves to eat? Carrots. This you already well known, right children? So in the same way, you might have seen a cat. What a cat will have? Cat will always try to have what? Milk. Understood? It will be coming and drinking our milk whenever it is kept open. And still dog. What the dog will eat? Dog always loves to eat meat. And one more animal like elephant. What an elephant likes to eat? Grass and also leaves, everything it will be trying to eat. And snakes. One more is snakes. What a snake will be eating? You just find it out from your parents. Snakes, what they will be eating and living. Understood. Next, H bit you see there. Birds make their nests on trees. There are other animals that live on trees or make homes in tree trunks. So here they are asking about some other animals which lives on the trees. So what are they? So for example of the tree hollows, who will be living there? Owls. So owls will be living on the animals which will be living with the help of trees. Understood? So I am writing the few animals which will be taking help of trees. Owls, bees, lion. They will be making that as a den and they will be staying there. Tigers, horses, cows, goats, they will be living under the tree. Understood? So these are the things. So thank you children, everyone. You make a read of all the grammar part which I said you and make a note of all the things which I wrote here in your textbook and make also reading of that. Understood? Thank you children.